Alright guys, so this is going to be how I use my Vanish Acne Care system along with my Vanity Planet Ice Roller. Now this was a couple months back, like in last year. You can tell by my face how much fatter I was, and you can tell here also. You're going to see in the other clip, in the recent clip as I recorded a couple days ago, that my skin, the spots that you're seeing now on my skin, has subsided dramatically. So now this section has been sped up, in addition to the other section. But what it's doing, and I explain later on in the video, but I'll say it here, what this is doing, that it's creating little holes in your face, and this technique is called Derma Rolling. So you're creating the holes in your face, and the skin will automatically heal itself. So when you create the holes in your face, what you're going to do is apply the vitamin C serum that comes with the kit, and applying the vitamin C serum, which you're seeing here. Vitamin C is excellent for acne scarring and repairing your skin. So now that your skin is open and you have created fresh wounds, when you put the acne and the vitamin C on, it will then heal it even quicker and even better. So your skin will automatically get clearer over time. Alright, hi guys, so this video is going to be about my Vanish system and how I use it. This is going to be my second time actually using the Vanish kit, and what comes in it is the micro needling, I believe it's called, the roller, and this is a container so you could sanitize the roller in, and the vitamin C serum. So how it works, this is called I'm so bad, micro needling, or just needling, and what is on this roller here, it's just needles, just small needles in them. Now I have the second to large bit, I believe, but I will definitely link what I have in the description bar. Now I did film a video back in the day, and I think I'm going to put this at the front, that video at the front. So this, it would be the second time I'm using the third time I'm using the kit, because I used it on my Periscope once last year, and then I filmed it the second time. I know this is my third time using it. I have been very hesitant to use this just because whenever I do it, my face would feel like it's itching me and it would feel very uncomfortable. But thank God I have my Vanity Planet Ice Roller. So this is just another step to my acne system. Now I'm using this because I have the Vanity Planet Ice Roller. If I didn't have it, I wouldn't promise that I'd be using it. I'd have to wait till I got this one, because of just how uncomfortable it feels after. I know it does work. I've seen major differences in my skin, but I wouldn't attribute it to this. Now I'm starting this again, so hopefully my skin would get better. Now what they say you should do is you sanitize it first, so you get alcohol, and I put it in here to sit. But what I do, I have a spray bottle, so I just spray the alcohol on it, spin it around, and spray, and wait for it to dry. Because if you don't wait for it to dry, then the alcohol, when you're needling, will pierce the skin, and the alcohol will go into the skin. So now what this is going to do is give you piercing. It really feels uncomfortable, especially when it gets to certain parts of your face. I don't know how people said this doesn't hurt. This is, the needle is going in your skin, so I feel it. And it comes with instructions, like right up here on my chin, very sensitive. My lip, very sensitive. My forehead is the most sensitive part. I feel like somebody is needling me. It's very uncomfortable for my forehead, and I'm not pushing it into my skin. I'm just rolling it. I'm not pushing it into my skin then roll. That's not what I'm doing. I'm just rolling it. So I'm going to apply some pressure now. As you can see, my skin kind of pushing up. And as you're watching this video, I'd highly suggest you pull up a page while listening to my voice. Just Google needling and acne. It has really done wonders for a lot of people. This system that I have is specifically from Banish Scars, banishacnescar.com, I believe it's called. Yeah, banishacnescars.com. And it comes in this cute little zippy bag. So now I'm breaking out really badly, and I attribute it to my doubt, because I started eating vegan food I think last week, and I've noticed that since from last week to now I've gotten bumps on the hair, the side, like bumps just coming up out of the woodwork. So I know it's because of the change in my diet. So I'm now going across, and when you purchase your Banish, when you purchase your, I'm telling you, it hurts more on the forehead. When you purchase your Banish kit, you will see that the instructions that they recommend to do in a star motion. So like this, that's what they recommend. But I'm going to focus on the areas that I've broken out mostly on. So now when you puncture your skin, I'm just going to say like it is, puncturing the skin, what's going to happen is that it's going to be kind of open because you're creating holes in the skin, and then that's where the vitamin C comes in, the vitamin C serum that they have, because you know vitamin C is excellent for scarring. I am applying some pressure. Am I asleep? I'm applying some pressure to my forehead. Oh gosh, and my nose. I forgot about my nose. Oh wow. I know some of you are thinking, why the hell is it doing this to her skin? Guys, have you seen my skin? It's acne up. And a lot of you guys are clocking me for my skin, so I just want to prove to you that I do take care of it. So now my skin is kind of itching me, so I'm going to take the and with the serum, what you have to do is put it on the, let me get a flat base here, to put it on the tip of your fingers, on the tip of your fingers, then just and pat it on. You cannot rub it because you have open wounds on your face, so you're just going to push it into the skin. And the reason why I say I have to put on your fingertips because it's difficult to use the palms and go over your face. Your fingertips will more form to your face. Getting some more of the serum, and I'm just pushing it into my skin. So now this for me is where it gets uncomfortable, because now I feel my skin because the acne, the vitamin C is going in there. Now vitamin C is also in what? Orange, so it's kind of citrusy. Anything citrusy on an open wound is going to create some kind of discomfort. So I feel it's not as bad as it was before. Before, my entire face will feel like it's inflamed, like it's just itching. So this is where my Vanity Planet roller comes in. So I'm just going to roll it on my face. Whew. It's so cold and nice. This has been in the freezer for days because I've been putting off doing this video, because I know the discomfort that I'm going to feel. Now if you Google, if you had already Googled or will Google after you watch the video, whichever you choose, you'll see the before and after, you'll see the results. And if you struggle with acne, I guarantee you are going to go out and you're going to buy, okay? For the ice roller, because this is what I'm actually featuring, it's so cold and nice. I actually have a discount code for you guys, and I'm going to leave that in the description bar. But I actually have a discount code, so I'm just putting it wherever I'm still feeling the discomfort. And this is my second step to my acne treatment. No, I don't do this I have not been doing this every day or every week, because they have recommendations once a week and stuff, just to give your skin time to heal. And of course you can't wear makeup the following day, so I won't be wearing makeup tomorrow, so that's why I did it today. So with that said, yeah, you just have to do your own research, see if this is something that will work for you. And all I can say is having the ice roller really helped me with the discomfort, to be completely honest with you, because I've been putting this off for months. I haven't been doing this for a long time. I just started back since I got the ice roller, and it has really helped me. Well, no, I can feel that it's helping me. Before, I'd have to just sit there and I'd do this to my skin, like poke it to scratch it, because it's, yeah, it gets uncomfortable. So team clear skin. So I'll do this again next week, and the following week, and the following week. If you follow me on Snapchat, you'll see where I am going to be doing it. You'll see me doing it if you follow me on Snapchat. So alright, feels good now. So that's basically it. Oh nope, I feel something here. So I'm going to end this video here while I continue to make myself comfortable. So that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and have a good one.